When must I use hash exclamation mark slash bin slash bash and when hash exclamation mark slash bin slash sh? When is hash exclamation mark slash bin slash bash more appropriate than hash exclamation mark slash bin slash sh in a shell script?
In short, there are several shells which implement a superset of the POSIX sh specification. On different systems, /bin/sh might be a link to ash, bash, dash, ksh, zsh, and c. It will always be sh compatible though, never csh or fish. As long as you stick to sh features only, you can, and probably even should, use hash exclamation mark /bin/sh and the script should work fine, no matter which shell it is. If you start using bash specific features, for example arrays, you should specifically request bash, because, even if /bin/sh already invokes bash on your system, it might not on everyone else's system, and your script will not run there. The same of course applies to zsh and ksh. You can use shell check to identify bashisms. Even if the script is for personal use only, you might notice that some OCs change /bin/sh during upgrades. For example, on Debian it used to be bash, but later was replaced with very minimal dash. Scripts which used bashisms but had hash exclamation mark /bin/sh suddenly broke. However, even hash exclamation mark /bin/bash is not very correct. On different systems, bash might live in /use for /bin or /use for /pkg/bin or /use /local/bin. A more reliable option is hash exclamation mark /use for /bin/env bash, which uses $puff. Although the env tool itself isn't strictly guaranteed either, /use for /bin/env still works on more systems than /bin/bash does.
Use the shebang corresponding to the shell you actually use to develop and debug your script. i.e. if your login shell is bash, and you run your script as executable in your terminal, use hash exclamation mark /bin/bash. Don't just assume that since you haven't used arrays, or whatever bash feature you're aware of, you're safe to pick whatever shell you like. There are many subtle differences between shells, echo, functions, loops, you name it, which cannot be discovered without proper testing. Consider this. If you leave hash exclamation mark /bin/bash and your users don't have it, they will see a clear error message, something like, most users can fix this under 1 minute by installing the appropriate package. On the other hand, if you replace the shebang by hash exclamation mark /bin/sh and test it on a system where /bin/sh is a symlink to /bin/bash, your users which don't have bash will be in trouble. They'll most likely see a cryptic error message like, this may take hours to fix, and there will be no clue about which shell they should have used. There aren't many reasons why you'd want to use a different shell in the shebang. One reason is when the shell you have used is not widespread. Another one is to gain performance with sh, which is significantly faster on some systems, and your script will be a performance bottleneck. In that case, test your script thoroughly with the target shell, then change the shebang.
You should only ever use hash /bin/sh. You should not use bash, or zsh, or fish, or extensions in a shell script, ever. You should only ever write shell scripts that work with any implementation of the shell language, including all the utility programs that go along with the shell itself. These days you can probably take POSIX 1 to 2001, not -2008, as authoritative for what the shell and utilities are capable of, but be aware that you may one day be called upon to port your script to a legacy system, for example Solaris or X, whose shell and utilities were frozen circa 1992. What? Seriously? Yes, seriously. Here's the thing, Shell is a terrible programming language. The only thing it has going for it is that /bin/sh is the one and only script interpreter that every Unix installation is guaranteed to have. Here's the other thing, some iteration of the core Perl 5 interpreter, /user/bin/perl, is more likely to be available on a randomly selected Unix installation than user vertical bar opt, local vertical bar sfw vertical bar pkg, !/bin/bash, is. Other good scripting languages, Python, Ruby, Node.js, etc. I'll even include PHP and TCL in that category when comparing to Shell, are also roughly as available as Bash and other extended shells. Therefore, if you have the option of writing a Bash script, you have the option of using a programming language that isn't terrible, instead. Now, simple shell scripts, the kind that just run a few programs in a sequence from a cron job or something, there's nothing wrong with leaving them as shell scripts. But simple shell scripts don't need arrays or functions or, even. And you should only write complicated shell scripts when you don't have any other choice. Autoconf scripts, for instance, are properly still shell scripts. But those scripts have to run on every incarnation of /bin/sh that's relevant to the program being configured. And that means they cannot use any extensions. You probably don't have to care about old proprietary Unixes these days, but you probably should care about current open source BSDs, some of which don't install Bash by default, and embedded environments that give you only a minimal shell and busybox. In conclusion, the moment you find yourself wanting a feature that's not available in the portable shell language, that is a sign that the script has become too complicated to stay a shell script. Rewrite it in a better language instead.
Generally, if time is more important than functionality, you will use the faster shell. sh is often alias to dash and tends to be used for roots cron tasks or batch operations where every nanosecond counts.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.